Hi, I'm Delphine and I'm your tutor coach. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to write the perfect profile description. But first, let's look at an interesting fact. We know that focusing your headline and profile description on students' learning will get you a higher number of views from students. Let's also understand how students see your profile. When they're looking for tutors in the Preply app, they only see your headline. The Preply website, they only see the first 4 lines of your profile. So keep that in mind when writing your headline or profile description. Make sure to write something engaging so that they click on your profile to find out more about you. So now let me give you some guidance on how to write your profile headline. Write a headline that represents you. Write a brief phrase that summarizes what makes you stand out as a tutor. We recommend that you write about an area of learning you specialize in. Give students examples. Mention your qualifications, of course, and other languages that you speak to a good level. And you may want to specify your target audience. And now let's focus on how to write an inspiring profile description. Remember that your objective is to get students to click on your profile, so make it as student-centered as possible. So in this video, we'll look at what you need to start doing, continue doing, and stop doing when you write your profile description. So start doing. Start structuring your description into short paragraphs. In the first paragraph, focus your writing on what students will learn in your lesson. The first 4 lines of your profile are crucial for getting their attention. And students need to identify your ability to help them with their learning goals. Start writing about what you specialize in. If you're a language tutor, you may specialize in exam preparation, accent reduction, or delivering presentations. Are you qualified and experienced? Then mention it, of course, and don't forget to upload your certificates to the platform. And anticipate students' goals in your description. They may be looking for help with public speaking, exam preparation, job purposes, and so on. And tell students how you can help them meet their goals. Explain how you teach and how they learn. That will give them confidence and it will make them book the first lesson with you. Inform students that you'll be creating a personalized plan that will meet their goals. Tell them, of course, you'll discuss the plan with them during the first lesson. Describe the learning activities students can expect in your lessons and the types of resources you will use with them. Check your spelling, grammar, and punctuation. And space your writing out with breaks between paragraphs. This will make your description much easier to read. And ask students to watch your video. And don't forget to end your description on a positive note and to say something along the lines of, "Come and book your first lesson with me." Continue doing. Write a little bit about yourself and your personality. Use keywords like helpful, patient, or caring. Keep your writing natural and not too formal. And the length of your description is up to you, but we recommend that you use your video to extend your description. Stop doing. Writing about your own cancellation policy. As a tutor on Preply, you have to comply with our cancellation policy. Don't share your contact details or include information about other online teaching platforms. And don't share links to your social media profiles. Our dedicated tutor success team checks every single tutor's profile and will not approve profiles which contain any of this information. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Over to you now. Good luck!